Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourselves. Yeah, as usual, let me fix up the camera. I'm not like how to move away, you know. Yeah, fix this up. Yeah, man, big up on yourselves. Because I step through a place. And what may I talk about today? Brother in front of me, nah drive good enough. Nah drive good enough. Yeah, what may I talk about today is what me call the Vybz Kartel Effect. Yes, the Vybz Kartel Effect. I hear me call. Sure. Yes. Back to me, I said the Vybz Kartel Effect, you know. And me say this, and me bring this up for so many reasons. Right? Now, Vybz Kartel, everybody know, or who don't know, his name is Adidja Palmer. Dancehall mogul. Yeah, man, right now I'm a dancehall mogul right now, brother. Yes, dancehall mogul. You know, big superstar. He was incarcerated in about 2011 and he is released from prison. The release part, as then somebody tell me, says that's still news. You understand me? It's a release. Yeah. Now, the whole part talk about me say the Vybz Kartel Effect. Now, when Vybz Kartel released, before Vybz Kartel was arrested, I was charged for the offense. He had so many things going on, right? He had his product, he has his music, he had his condom brand, he has his liquor brand, he has his cave soap brand, and some other stuff so him do. He went to prison, returned. Now him return, everything come like it I got tenfold right now. Right? It's straight vibes rum, and not just one brand, and not just one flavor you have so many flavor. Right? Him have him stage show, and him have some different ventures where him go through, or him going on. Now, see, when he come out, there's so many things that shift up. Both for him and both for not him. When you realize him do some interviews, right? Some interviews where him see him do. It is so much above most interviews where you hear the artists them do. Right? And I can say this. By when Vybz Kartel went to prison, and listen me carefully because me I try to make you understand what me I say now. Me I go say it and me I go explain. When Vybz Kartel went to prison and returned, it is one of the best thing could have really happened to him in terms of him growing from being a megastar to a multi-megastar. Right? Because before he got in, I mean, a lot of times I used to listen to him interview. His interviews were very much good, intellectual, and all of the good superlatives that you can find. But me never too like how the whole mannerism of the interviews them that were done. It's just like a person where knows him better than everybody else, so him do him a tie with things. Right? Him just a tie and I make a man know say, yo, me better on you know. You understand? I may play a sport round and you know, and that me used to get from that. And by him going in prison, seeing what him see, coming out back, him take some stance now where 10 years ago Vybz Kartel would never have done. It was different. So when I say the prison was a good thing for him, and coming out back now help him to be a better person. Me know why I say that. And I hear him say it in interviews that's the best thing. And me glad say him see where me see, or me see where him see, or which one way I see. You see me I say yes. Him I see thing or me I see. Because me I say if he go in and come out back And when he come out back, he was the same person. Boy, I would give up. Would give up, brother? A man is too good for going and come out back and I realize, say, there was something was sort of missing from him moving to another level. And when I say another level, I mean couple levels up. You know the thing? See? But the effect when I talk about him have you now is that him brings so much more people or so much more things with him moving. And so many people can take some examples of that. Right? The ventures that when put on or when take on to himself, you realize it brings employment, right? Brings employment. The social media presence when bring, right? Being on social media, being out in the public, as simple as you take that, that brings employment to some people. Let me show you how you take it because sometimes you have to understand it a little deeper, you know. You see the vloggers them thing turn up a little higher when Vybz Kartel come out. And it's not just about bad stuffs them I report on, you know. It's just his lifestyle. Some might say, boy, him go Jamaica go faint. Some might say, well, him say him donate some money to Yasso. So, but everything when him do makes news. And because it make news now, then who post it faster get more views. You see the news and the views? Yes. Those are the effects of me I talk about. Him bringing so much employment. Him bring so much recognition to people. Some people where would that thing say Vybz Kartel have up, not have up again. Some stance where him used to take before, he not take again. He have so much more maturity about him and so much things around him. And he might deal with the things them a little bit better. I mean like that. I mean just hope that the best thing can come out of when what Vybz Kartel is doing now. Because you have some people who take the disadvantage. The disadvantage just root of his success. Understand? You see him bring back Lisa Hyper, Gaza, Kim, Gaza, Shim, Gaza, all of the people them him bringing in circles and now and him do him show and you know, so it's a good look. And me hope the effect brings so much to the culture, to the country, you know, because he even talk about when he go to like the PNP conference and them say I'm a PNP and them say no, I'm a Jamaican. You know, hear Vybz Kartel say them they sitting a long time ago. But that me I talk about. So, you know, him not just out the road a hype up. Even if him a hype, he might bring some substance to the hype. You see me? Yes. So people, as usual, let me know what you think about the Vybz Kartel Effect. Yeah man, let me know how I go and feel that. Let me think, you know what I think. See? So as usual, I take on myself and here, big up on yourself. Have that.